So first ride for today is River Adventure! River! Yay! First ride! First ride! So we are excited. Sobrang saya namin!
Thank you. And also sit on the both side, get a balance. Thank you. Our balance in the middle box. You can take a seat here. Bro, and get ready. Okay, sit down first. I'm your giver. My name is Rita. Hi guys. Hello, hello, hello. Hi sweetie, you need to sit down first. Sit properly. Thank you. Tyson Tree House is this way. Yeah. See the big house that is on Tyson House. Due to the Tyson is holiday today, so Tyson Tree House is called Chinese New Year, right? Okay. So next time if you want to go, let's go. Let's begin with our elephant mommy and the little one, the baby. Okay, baby, learning how to use the trunk or how baby keep going. Okay. That is an elephant brother. Let's wait now. Okay. See, talking under the water. And then my elephant daddy. Okay. Daddy. Oh, there's quite a big in my hand. Don't let them jump inside your bed, and they will follow you to hold together. Then I will have another one. Okay, and I think he is looking at me, trying to jump inside my boat. So come on, let's just move faster. Okay, hi, sweetie. You need to put your food package and no eating inside. Thank you so much, and I'll keep your watch on, right? Okay, so keep your hand on the inside my boat, or your arm will be tossed there. Reference, okay? That's Kevin's my friend who got the water and James. You can come closer and getting ready to give up. Uh-oh. Where's who got the water? Where's King? Oh, they all become very low. They're up there, Papa. It's a gun. The last one, my favorite cut, that is Africa. We have a zebra, giraffe, and the bigger one. That is the African elephant. Come closer and get ready to say hi, guys. Okay, now due to the social distancing, hold on there, forgive. What is that? I think we're going to hotel now. We need to go slowly and getting quiet. Make sure to go outside the country. How will we stay slowly? I'm excited.